How to fix some keys not working on keyboard. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can fix some keyboards keys not working. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to fix some keys not working on your keyboard, you just need to follow some methods. There are certain methods on how you can fix it. First of all, open up your main settings of your laptop. After that, go to update and security and open it up. After opening it up, you need to navigate to, just wait for it to load first. After that, you just need to navigate to troubleshoot, and here you can see additional troubleshooters option. So simply tap on it, and here wait for it to load again. And here when you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see a keyboard option. Just tap on it and you can see this run the troubleshooter. You may just run the troubleshooter and wait for the troubleshoot to be completed. After this is done, you may just get back to the main settings. After that. And here I just want you to navigate to ease of access. You can see ease of access option here. Just go to ease of access. After that, open it up, and here also you need to navigate to keyboard at the left side of the screen. When you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see a keyboard option. Just tap on keyboard, and here when you can see a bunch of options here, but I want you to scroll down a bit until you see use filter keys. So you just need to turn on this option. If it is turned off, you just need to simply turn on this option. After it is done, after turning on the use filter keys option, you just need to get back, and you just need to get back up. Just scroll up this time, and this time you can use that on-screen keyboard option. You should be able to see on-screen keyboard option when you scroll up. I just want you to turn on this option, and an on-screen keyboard should appear on your screen, which you can use instead of the physical keyboard of your laptop, PC or your desktop. After that, cross it out, and if that is done, you may just go to the search bar and search for device manager this time and open it up. Just open the device manager. After opening it up, this interface should appear on your screen. So here I just want you to navigate to keyboards. You can see that option. After that, simply open the standard PS2 keyboard or whichever keyboard that is available to you. Just click on it. You can see update driver option. You may just update the driver of that particular keyboard, and that should probably fix your issue. If that doesn't, just cross it out, and this time navigate to the search bar again and search for task scheduler. After that, open it up, and you'll be able to see this interface on your screen. So here, wait for it to load first. It may take some seconds in order to load the task scheduler. After that, go to Windows and wait for everything to appear. So here, I just want you to scroll down first at the left side of the screen. You can see under Windows, Task Service Framework. You can see that option. Just click on it, and this interface will appear on your screen. So here on the right side of the screen, you can see actions. So I just want you to enable all task history from here, and after that select run, and you should be able to fix your issue. So therefore, these are the methods you can follow in order to fix your keyboard. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.